I don't know if I turned the camera. Hey yo, what's up everybody, it's me, Kogeri, here back with another video. So bro, oh okay, we have enough. So what we're doing today is explosion, okay, explosion. So what we are doing here is we're going to fill up a bottle with acid and then add some aluminum foils in it, which makes it, I don't know what kind of reaction. So and then if we close the bottle, if we close the cap, if we add the cap of the bottle, then it expands and pops. So what we're going to do is add it, and then we're going to cover it with a metal bucket, a paint bucket. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Are we ready? This is the bomb. So I'm going to show you guys this from like this. There you guys have the metal bucket. This is a paint bucket and it's a little bit destroyed, so please don't mind. So, and the outside is a little bit dirty. So we're going to do it like that, and let's see how the reaction is. So there's going to be, this video is going to be a lot short, and it's going to be good in either way. So guys, previously we did this, and as you guys can see over here, this is burned aluminum foil, and we did it inside. Where's the bottle? Previous bottle. There you go. This is what happens to the bottle after the explosion. So it burns, okay, it burns. So that is going to happen with this bottle. So yeah, let's get started. So I can't do it with one hand. Okay, wait. I'm going to go off camera for now. Okay, so here it is, ready. It's going to pop in any minute. So, oh my god, it's really freaking out. Like, it makes me freak out. It's expanding. I'm afraid that I don't jump and break my camera. It's the only one I have.
I am the king and will not be.
Oh my god! That was a big pop, and look at this. Oh my god, it exploded, and this is the bottle. Take it off. Yeah, take it off. Holy moly, it's steaming hot. Oh my god, we exploded, and it went on the bricks, and it is going to discolor it. How's the bottle? I don't know if it's illegal in this country or not. This is the bottle. As you guys saw the before and after. This is the bottle. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video only. So yeah, I never thank you guys for watching. Peace out. I don't know if the police is going to arrive or not, I don't know.
I am the king and will not be. I am the king and will not be. King and will not. I am the king and will not. Will not be. King and will not.